Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the double tap to turn on screen function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now when we have our screen turned off, when we double tap it, it will wake up. Let's turn off this function. So we need to go to Settings, Advanced Features, and here we have Motions and Gestures. And in here, as you can see, double tap to turn on screen is enabled. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and let's go back to our home screen and let's see. And we can poke our screen how much we want, it won't turn on. This function to double tap is disabled. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.